Hey everyone, Daniel from Tiger here. Happy to see you again to another episode of our TDF Masterclass. In our previous videos, we covered all the basics there is to know about digital materials. So now we are finally able to get our hands on some files. Today I will show you how to download everything you need to get started with Tiger Digital Finishes. I will also try to keep the rest of the video as uncut as possible so you are able to follow along while watching. I hope you are ready, as we are going to dive right in. Alright, first thing you will have to do is to open up our website, tiger-coatings.com. If you want a shortcut, I have included a link in the video description. Once we are here, we want to access the web shop. This is where you will be able to find all the stock products that Tiger has to offer in your area, and this is also where we will get our digital files. In total, there is two methods to get a download. The first one being quite simple. You scroll through the products and you pick the one you like most. In our case, let's do aquamarine. You press on the product image to open up the product detail page. And here you can either manually scroll down to the very bottom, or you just click the digital finish icon on the top right. This will lead you to a download form. Here, all you have to do is to enter your personal information like first name, last name, company, and of course the email address that we should later send the download link to. You pick the file types that you would like to receive, and don't worry, we will do a separate video on those later, so you can watch that and pick the correct file types for you. You do all the necessary check marks here, and then in the end, you press the download now button. This is great if you want to get your hands on a single product. However, if you would like to download multiple products at once, this method is lacking. That's why there's also a second option. When you are on the web shop, knowing that you would like to download multiple products at once, there is a simple step you can take to do that without filling out the form 2 times or 3 times in a row. All you would need to do for that is to hover over the product that you would like to have. Let's pick aquamarine again and set it as a favorite. Now to our second product. Maybe I would like to choose a metallic to mix things up. I have a favorite product in that regard, which will be one of our Highland colors. Let's quickly look for that. It will be the Highland 3602. I will set that as a favorite as well. So now you can see on the top right, I have the favorites icon with a 2 on the very top right, showing me I have set 2 favorite products. I will click on that to go to the favorites menu. Quickly check those 2 products again. Yes, I would like to download both digital finishes. And then here I will press the download digital finishes button. This will lead us to the same form that we have seen before, however now with 2 products requested instead of 1. Now I will quickly fill out this form so we can have a look at the emails that are being sent later. Alright, now let's set all of those to yes, we want to have all the files available. Alright, one quick remark, if you are already a Tiger customer, you do not necessarily have to fill out all the form fields that you see here. What you can do is simply press yes on the do you have an account with us toggle, which will lead you to a separate form where you will just have to enter your email address as well as your Tiger customer ID, saving you the hassle of entering your company name and so on and so forth. Regardless, we will now press the download button to receive our first email. What's important to know when you request a download, we at Tiger have to follow a so-called double opt-in process, which means you will receive 2 emails from us, which I'm right about to show you. The first email will look something like this. Here, we prompt you to quickly confirm your email address so we know it is really you requesting the download and not someone else entering your email address. So we simply press the button we have here, confirm email, which will lead us to a landing page saying thank you for your request, your email has been confirmed. You will receive an email with your download link shortly. Please note that this process may take up to 15 minutes and also check your spam folder. 15 minutes is quite exaggerated. This can happen in edge cases when our servers are really busy. Usually, you should receive your download link within 1 or 2 minutes in your email inbox. And this is what that email looks like. Here you can see again the TDF files that you requested and a download button leading you to the final download page where you will finally receive your download folder. So let's not wait for any longer. Click the button and see what we get. Download your requested digital finishes for your CGI rendering system. It's the correct products. It's what we have requested. Everything correct. Let's download. And that's it. It is, in fact, that easy. You have now downloaded your folder with 2 TDF files. Of course, these can be 10 or 20 at a time also. In the next video, we will have an exact look at the different file types that we provide, so you are able to pick the correct files for your programs. I hope I'll see you there. Until the next episode.